Now, many of you already know that President Donald Trump of the United States has imposed tariffs of around 30%, which came into effect now in August to South Africa. All the goods that are coming from South Africa or that we are taking to the US are hit with the 30%, which, by the way, it's an additional tariff on top of the 10%. Now, a lot of the analysts have been saying this is going to hurt, or it might even cost 100,000 jobs of South Africans, because the exports won't be that much. Will reduce the demand of the products that are being made here in South Africa being shipped to the US. And guess what? Today, the reason why I'm telling you, I'm giving you that background, is because Ford is about to cut 470 jobs. And they say this is due to low demand. But what is causing this low demand? It's because of the tariffs. It's because of competition. I mean, yes, tariffs are there, are very important, and are leading into these job losses, but competition also is there. I mean, it goes without saying that Chinese cars are dominating the SA market right now. Wherever you go, probably wherever you stay, there is someone that you know personally that is using a Chinese car, and this is some serious competition on these other cars that were dominating previously, like Ford and the others. But over and above this, there is the tariffs. These tariffs, remember, everything that we are taking that side, we are being charged 30%. So it makes the Ford Rangers that are exported to the US to be more expensive. I mean, in fact, Ford Motor Company of South Africa has confirmed that adjustments to its manufacturing operators could lead to 470 job losses. The cuts could affect workers at both Strandale Engine Plant in Gqeberha and Silverton Assembly Plant in Pretoria. The company says in a statement the changes are part of their ongoing efforts to optimize production and respond to the evolving market demands, right? Ford says it is committed to supporting those affected and will be offering voluntary separation options. The company also confirmed its current consultation with representative union regarding the proposed changes. The company exports a smaller number of its popular Ford Rangers to the US. According to the figure from the National Association of Auto Manufacturers, local vehicles export to the US have dropped by a staggering 80% in the first half of this year. What is causing this? The tariffs. As I've told you, the tariffs have an impact, because already the 10% that I told you came in April, right? Came into effect beginning of April. And what that simply means is that if Ford was maybe selling their, or taking and going to sell those Ford in the US, maybe 500,000 for instance, by just that 10%, it means that for Ford to make, or to continue making the same profits that they were making before these tariffs, they will need to adjust their price by 10%, or increase their price by 10% to cover for the tariff increase, at the same time still making a decent profit. Without that, it means that they are going to sell at a loss. And knowing that the stats, it's saying over 80% of exports have dropped in South Africa to the US in the first half, it shows you that, look man, these tariffs are real, and these tariffs are going to have a big impact into our economy, not just to the companies that of course are providing or are taking these products that side, but there are going to be so many job losses. And you know that honestly, South Africa, we don't need that, because with more job losses, it will lead into more crimes being committed in this country. So the government must just find alternatives, which they've been trying to look for other trading partners to form more trading deals, so that at least people can still get to be to find themselves working, because this trade industry, honestly, yeah, it's being hit hard by the tariffs of Trump, which is something that is not good at all. So yeah, man, knowing that already we are seeing this, unless if anything changes, this might just be the beginning of the more layoffs that we are going to see in various companies that we're doing business with the US. I mean, like I said, I think it was the SA Reserve Bank that released a statement to say that there could be 100,000 of job losses due to the tariffs that the United States of America imposed to us, which is not good at all, man, because honestly we need to be getting the government needs to be creating more jobs to the people. But this one, I don't think you need to blame the government. The Trump just want to, of course, want him to go back and kneel down and all that, but it's not happening, right? And because of that, because we are friends with China and Russia, we are part of BRICS. That is part of the reason why we are being punished by the US. But anyways, these are the recent developments, latest updates. Tell me what you think about this. It's sad, man, to know that people could be losing their jobs. I know they talk about voluntary options, but look, man, people are going to lose jobs, and it's not good. It's not good at all. So yeah, I just thought I'd quickly come and give you these updates. Like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I will see you on the next one, my dear friends, and God bless you all.